president of Karbi Students Association breathed his last on 3rd of December 2022. Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council allotted 280 RCC ringwell for Lumbajong constituency. Car carrier truck trailers skid off the roadside at Sangtihidi on 3rd of December. Good morning viewers, you are watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. Karbi Students Association was founded in the year 1959. Led Pratap Chandra Tokbi became the founding and president of Karbi Students Association, and on 3rd of December he breathed his last and left for his heavenly abode. The dream of seeing factions of Karbi Students Association under one platform remained as a dream. Late Pratap Chandra Tokbi was not only the founding president of Karbi Students Association, but also he was a true Karbi nationalist. He had a vision to uplift its people and flourish its land. He was born on 3rd of June in 1935 at Kuliagaon. His father's name was Late Sarbura Tokbi and his mother's name was Late Kachi Ingti Hensekti. He gained his lower primary education from Kuliagaon LP School, completed his middle English ME schooling from Bechbarua High School, Golaghat. Later joined Difu Gov Boys High School and did his matriculation. But due to serious illness since 5th of November, he was undergoing treatment at his own residence. He was later brought to Difu Medical College and Hospital after the conditions of his health deteriorated. He was then admitted to an intensive care unit ICU for 9 days due to lungs infection. He was then taking intensive treatment at a private cabin for 4 days, and on 3rd of November, he breathed his last and left for his heavenly abode. With a vision to unify Karbi Students Association and make it as a backbone of the Karbi community across the state, Late Pratap Chandra Tokbi founded one of the most prestigious students' organizations of Assam known as Karbi Students Association in the year 1959 and became the first and founder president of Karbi Students Association. Apart from his activisms as a students leader, he was also working as a lower division assistant LDA cum enumerator at Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner's Office in the year 1961. Then he joined as a surveillance worker at the Health Department. Later, he served as the Assistant Malaria Officer of Health Department from the year 2000 till his retirement. After his retirement as a serviceman, he served as an advisor of Somindar Karbi Amai and Karbi Anglong Consultation Peace Forum. To acknowledge his works and honor his contributions towards the society, he was conferred with several awards which include Difu Central Bihu Committee Award 2012, Chief Minister Best Community Action Award for Development 2014, Best Karbi Po Award 2014. Late Pratap Chandra Tokbi's visions of undivided Karbi Students Association is now divided into 4 factions, which had baffled and bewildered the concerned citizens. He dreamed of seeing all the factions standing unitedly under one platform when he was alive, but his dream of seeing factions of Karbi Students Association under one platform remained as a dream. The sudden demise of a great nationalist like him is a great loss to the Karbi students and community as a whole. He was left behind by his wife Kache Ronghangpi and 3 children. Next report, Karbi Anglong Live. Addressing the grievances and difficulties of the citizens of Lumbajong constituency, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, allotted 280 numbers of RCC ringwell for Lumbajong constituency in the year 2019, and the project was directed and entrusted to Dhansing Kramsa, social worker. Dhansing Kramsa carried out the work as per the direction of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, in area like Mijung, Taradong, Arlong Parla, Lang Etso, Lang Kaijan, Kathe Bajong, Borlang Pher, Lang Soliet, Kang Ar Arong, Chekso Langso, Disama No. 2 and villages of Sarmen Hanse, Sartheinghi, Hidim Timung, Jor Timung and Hemai Timung, and completed the construction of 180 RCC ring wells in the region. Hence, the remaining 100 numbers of ring wells would be provided to places where the region is deprived from Jal Jeevan Mission scheme to ensure provisions of safe drinking water facility in every household. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Tilai for Karbi Anglong Live. On 3rd of December, a truck container carrying SUV overturned and skid off the roadside at Sanktihidi, falling under the jurisdiction of Bokajan police station. Cars worth of 1 crore destroyed. As per the sources, eyewitness of the incidents informed that the incidents occurred when the car carrier truck trailer bearing registration number NL01AC0468 proceeding from Guwahati towards its destined location Lahorijan. The driver lost control of the truck, which consequently overturned and flipped off the roadside along National Highway 39, Sanktihidi and Paklangso. As many as 6 sports utility vehicles were destroyed in the act. The SUVs includes Mahindra's 2 Bolero, 2 Scorpios and 2 XUV 700. Bokajan police reached the spot of the incidents and took control over the incidents. No loss of life has been reported. The driver of the truck was identified as Deepak Jha. Jha informed that the accidents had taken place after he fell asleep and lost control over the truck. Ananterang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.